Wow!
Best experience ever.
Honest comments from real people about Ultimate Automotive Repair.
The most honest automobile shop I've ever been to.
I can't believe how honest these guys are. I took my car to someplace else, I got a bunch of mumbo jumbo. Then I took it to Ultimate Automotive Repair, and it turned out that I only needed a $20 part. They saved us a few $100s.
These guys are awesome.
They have the best rates I've seen in a long time. Thanks. I'm not getting taken advantage of.
Auto repair you can feel good about. Ultimate Automotive Repair. If they can't fix it, you don't pay.